Jordan, land of ancient wonders and breathtaking landscapes. But beyond the tourist trail, a different kind of treasure awaits, Mansaf. This isn't just food, it's the heart and soul of Jordan, a dish that brings families together, creating bonds that last a lifetime. A dish steeped in tradition, passed down through generations. Each family has its own unique way of preparing it, adding a personal touch to this beloved meal. Imagine this. You're sitting on a sun-drenched patio, the air thick with anticipation. The table is set, and the family gathers around, ready to share stories and laughter. The scent of spices wafts from the kitchen, a symphony of aromas promising a culinary adventure. Each spice tells a story, a history of the land and its people. This is the scene that unfolds when a Jordanian family prepares to share their most treasured dish with you. It's a moment of pride and joy, a glimpse into their way of life. Mansaf isn't just a meal, it's an experience. A journey through flavors and traditions that have stood the test of time. A celebration of Bedouin heritage, hospitality, and the simple joy of sharing good food with good company. It's a testament to the warmth and generosity of the Jordanian people. At the heart of Mansaf is lamb, a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine. Tender, succulent lamb, slow-cooked to perfection, ensuring every bite melts in your mouth. But this isn't your average roast, it's a culinary masterpiece. This lamb is simmered in a rich, tangy yogurt sauce called jamid, which adds a unique flavor. Making jamid is an art passed down through generations. It starts with goat's milk, carefully fermented and dried in the desert sun, a process that takes time and patience. The dried yogurt is then soaked, crumbled, and simmered into a thick, creamy sauce, full of depth and character. This is the heart and soul of Mansaf, a dish that embodies tradition and flavor. The lamb, infused with the tangy jamid, is then layered onto a bed of fluffy rice, creating a harmonious blend. Each grain, plump and separate, soaks up the rich flavors of the meat and sauce. It's a beautiful thing, a true feast for the senses. But the story of Mansaf doesn't end there. Oh no, this dish is a symphony of flavors. Spices play a crucial role, adding depth and complexity. Think cumin, turmeric, and saffron. Each spice, carefully measured and added at just the right moment. The result? A dish that explodes with flavor. And then there are the garnishes, toasted almonds, chopped parsley, and sometimes a sprinkle of fragrant cinnamon. These final touches elevate Mansaf from a delicious meal to an unforgettable culinary experience. Mansaf isn't just about the food, it's about the experience. It's about gathering with loved ones, sharing stories, and strengthening bonds over a shared meal. Traditionally, Mansaf is served on a large platter placed in the center of the room. Guests gather around, scooping up the food with their right hand. It's a communal experience, a celebration of togetherness, and it's a beautiful sight to behold. Mansaf is more than just a dish, it's a symbol of Jordanian culture and hospitality. This traditional meal made with lamb, rice, and a fermented yogurt sauce called jamid is deeply rooted in the history and traditions of Jordan. It's a way of welcoming guests, of showing them honor and respect. Sharing Mansaf is an act of generosity and a gesture of goodwill. When a Jordanian family serves you Mansaf, they're not just feeding you, they're inviting you to be part of their community, to share in their traditions and values. They're welcoming you into their home, their hearts, their culture. The experience of eating Mansaf is as much about the people and the stories as it is about the food itself. So if you ever find yourself in Jordan, do yourself a favor. Embrace the opportunity to connect with the local culture through its cuisine. Seek out a family-run restaurant, sit down, and order the Mansaf. You won't regret it. The flavors, the hospitality, and the sense of belonging will leave a lasting impression.